Hello everyone, myself Trend Academy. Welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero using OverTheWire Bandit, and this is the level 32nd and episode 29. So, in this level again the same thing, just the user has been changed. So we need to copy the repository and we need to just put the port number and then we can copy this, and then we were not making a temporary file, but it's always easy if you are solving anything or solving a particular room or working on a specific work, then make a proper directory for that. So for now we are first going to make a directory, temporary directory. So make temporary directory, make temporary dash d command directory. Then it will give us a path. So we will follow up the path and go inside the directory and we'll check. So here you can see we have nothing right now. So here we need to clone those that thing. So we will again copy the path for the repo and then we will give the command git clone. And when we will clone this, then it will ask for password. So we will give the password, and when going through the thing, so we will check out that yes, it's cloned. So let's go inside that. Now let's see. Okay, again a readme file. So we will look into it. This time your task is to push a file to the remote repository. The details for the file are okay. The file name should be this, the content should be this, the branch should be the master. Okay. For this room or level, you don't need to find through the history logs or you can say branches. Here we have to push a file. So what are the file details we can see here? So first of all, let's make the file. For that, we are going to use echo. Then we are giving double colon or what is this code? I don't know. So basically here we will get double quote. Remember, my mistake, mine. Okay. So echo double quote, and inside the double quote, may I comment question mark? Then we are using the symbol for pushing the data inside the key.txt. We will press enter and boom, we got a new file. So let's see, is it really working or not? So yes, the data is gone inside the text file. So let's see, is there any hidden file also? Yes, there is a git ignore also. Git ignore means ignore those things, whatever given on the inside the git ignore. Okay, so here is the twist. Whatever file we will push or commit, it will be ignored because it's already mentioned. So we will do nothing. We will just put a simple flag of forcefully putting up the file so that the git ignore will be bypassed using that flag. So you will see in the upcoming, you can see in upcoming few minutes how I will do that thing. So for that, we are going first to, like we made the file. Now we have to commit those things and let it test. So right now I don't remember the commands, so I have saved those commands. But as you know, I will explain all the commands because we are still in learning phase. So copy pasting and saving the commands, understanding those things does not mean you are cheating. You are understanding and developing your mind, like how a hacker should think. So that is not a thing like you should worry about that. Yeah, this person is copy pasting or doing anything. I will explain you the commands, so don't worry about that. So let's understand the command. Here you can see git. It gives that yes, git. You need to add what? You need to add key.txt file. But here is a twist. In the git ignore, it will be ignored if it is pushed without this flag. This flag do what? This flag will give git a permission that yes, you need to force you need to commit this file forcefully. So we are going to add that file. So we added the file successfully. Now what we have to do that now this file will be in, I think, a staged format. So for checking that, you can use git a status so that you can check. Yes, here you can see changes to be committed. Now right now the file is in the staged you can say a staged form. There are different forms, like if you have a file to upload on GitHub, then if you are going through these phases, then it will go to a stage, then it will go to commit, then push, then it will be pushed to the Git repo. Okay, So right now we are at the stage form. So the next command, sorry. So the next command is this command git commit dash m add key.txt. So this command is adding a snapshot to the branch. What is the branch? Master is the branch. So inside branch there are many commits. Like there is the author. Author who see there will be error. I think so. If you will give this commit command, there will be error. Not if I will give, then there will be no error because I have set this thing. Like if there is a error like unknown authority or any kind of that, then you can use these commands. First give this command git config user.name bandit, and then you can give this. You can use any fake data to you can use any fake data, and then you can give those things instead of bandits. You can put anything, and here you can put any email or any kind of fake email address because it is just for you can say spoofing. Understood? Because it is doing locally. You can change those things in two ways, globally and locally. So for this repository only, I am going to use this as the author and this as the thing. So if you will not set the author, then it will unable to commit. Like who committed, who pushed that thing. So Git has some policies also. So right now we are going to commit those things. So a snapshot of key.txt. What is inside the key.txt? May I come in? So may I come in will be committed in the branch. So a snapshot has been added. So we just need to give the last command and we will get our password. Because as already this level says, you just need to push a file. So when I will push a file to the origin master, then it will give us the password for the next level. So it will ask for the password for the previous level. So we need to give that, and boom, we got the password. So this was again a simple but a beautiful way of explaining how a hacker should think. So I hope you liked the room. So this was all in this room. Let's see you guys in the next room. Till then, stay safe or stay secure. Bye bye regards, Train Academy.